What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to patch and fix a leak or a hole in your airbed mattress. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so we want the bed fully pumped up at this point, and we're going to go around and we're going to look and we're going to feel and we're going to listen for any sounds of air escaping. Sometimes you can just hear it. Now if you can't find it that way, go ahead and fill up a spray bottle with some warm soapy water like Dawn dish detergent or laundry soap. We're going to spray any area we suspect the leak may be, and we're going to go to the area where the pump is also, and any other inlet and outlet that may be on the bed, and you're going to spray it with the soapy water and look for bubbles. I suggest lifting up the airbed and starting with the bottom. That's most likely where your leaks are going to be from punctures from something on the floor in the carpet. Now if you look closely, you can see a little tiny mark right there. And when we spray the soapy water on it, look, it's making bubbles. So we know the leak's right there. It was on the bottom, just as I suspected. So if your leak is really small, go ahead and mark it with a pen or a piece of tape so you know where it is, and then we're going to go ahead and deflate the bed all the way. Okay, here's our hole right here. You're going to want to dry off any of that soap and water, and then what we're going to do is we're going to clean that area really well with some rubbing alcohol. That's going to get rid of any residue, any grease, or any of that leftover soap, so that our patch is going to stick really well. Now this is the kind of glue we're going to be using today. This is called rubber cement. This is the same type of glue you're going to find in a bicycle patch repair kit. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description to this glue and probably a patch kit for you guys. Then I have a small piece of bicycle inner tube and I've cut it oversized. Now sometimes the bed will even come with these patches. This is from another bed I have. So go ahead and check the box if you still have that. See if you had any of these patches. Okay, so we're just gonna brush that rubber cement on the area. You only need a thin little film of it, but brush bigger than the size of the patch. And then we're gonna brush the patch as well with the same glue. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these dry for about 5 or 10 minutes till they become really tacky. It's been about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place the patch carefully over the hole. And we're gonna press the patch down firmly. Making sure to press those edges down as well. And then I'll go ahead and put a piece of saran wrap over that. And then a flat book. And then I'm gonna put a weight on top of it. If you don't have any weights, what you can do is just fill up a bucket or a pot of water and put that on top. We're gonna go ahead and leave this for about an hour or two would be good. Okay, it's been drying for about an hour and a half. Now let's go ahead and pump the bed up all the way. Okay, now we can take our same soapy water and we're gonna spray the whole patch. And we're gonna look for any bubbles around the edges of that patch. All right, no bubbles. Well, it worked for a minute, but then the patch came up, so we're gonna have to try something else. All right, take two. I've got a new fresh patch kit with new glue and patches. First thing I'll do that I forgot to do last time is we're gonna take some sandpaper, or you can use this metal lid to scuff up the area. This is gonna help the patch adhere better. So you just wanna scuff up a little wider than the size of your patch. Do it in a cross pattern, so one way and then the opposite way. Just gonna take the shine off of that plastic. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and clean that area really good with our alcohol to get off any of that residue that we just sanded off. Okay, we'll take our fresh new cement and we can go ahead and puncture it with the top of the cap. You just flip it upside down. See if this glue is any better, because I think the other glue was defective. Yeah, this is a little thicker. The other one was too thin. Spread it around. We'll go ahead and leave this a few minutes to get tacky, just until the shine goes away. Okay, I waited about 15 minutes or so. Now we're gonna take the patch and peel it off the sticker side. Careful not to touch the sticker part. Get it centered over our patch. Now we're gonna press down nice and firm all the way around the edges. Oh, this one looks like it's gonna stick good. Press down on it for a minute. Saran wrap on it. And I got a stick. And I got 20 pounds of weight. All right, it's been a couple hours. I'm not gonna test it with the water this time. I'm just gonna pump it up. Someone's gonna sleep on it overnight, so we'll get the review in the morning, see if it got soggy or not. Okay, well, it looked like the patch held up fine this time. My cousin just got done sleeping on it for a whole entire week. So that's the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.